Today I'm making chicken marsala pasta delight. Using chicken thighs, salt and pepper. Get the seasonings everywhere. In a Dutch oven, package of pancetta. Slice up 1 onion. Chop up a handful of garlic. I rendered the fat from the pancetta, remove it from the pan. I didn't get enough of the fat from the pancetta, so I'm gonna bacon up the Dutch oven and cook the chicken. Add the chicken skin side down, about 4 minutes aside. 8 minutes total, remove the chicken. Wonderful mix, we're gonna add the onions and a full pack of mushrooms. Add some fresh thyme from the garden, some more salt and pepper. Cut up my chicken, I'm gonna add it back in. Add the garlic and the pancetta back in. This is all fused together, 2 cups of chicken broth. 1 cup Marsala wine, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, and 1 cup milk. Using rigatoni, add it to the mix. Rolling boil, cover, simmer, 10 to 15 minutes so the noodles are tender. Some Mark Ryan Lost Soul Syrah. Grate a cup of Parmesan cheese. Pasta's al dente, add a cup of Parmesan cheese. Transfer to the serving bowl. Garnish with some fresh parsley from the garden. A little more Parmesan cheese. Are you kidding me?